Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that matter, check the app version and device OS, and note the exact error text. Once done, back up any local data, sign out of the account and force quit the app. This clears transient state. Then restart your device to flush caches. Next, test the connection. Switch Wi-Fi to mobile data or briefly reboot the router, because many Billease errors come from failed handshakes or stale sessions, and a clean restart often restores the protocol flow. After the quick fixes, move into diagnostics, clear the app cache, and if needed, uninstall then reinstall the app to eliminate corrupted binaries or bad cache tokens. While reinstalling, check your account status, verify KYC is current, payment methods are valid, and there are no holds that cause server rejections. Also, audit app permissions. Allow location, storage, notifications, and background data so the app can complete network requests and token renewals. These steps isolate. To complete the repair, run a small transaction test or simulate the failing action. Watch for response codes and note timing. Slow responses indicate network or server throttling. If it still fails, collect device logs, screenshots, and the exact error code, then contact Billease support. Provide step-by-step reproduction so they can escalate. As a practical workaround, try a different device or use the web portal, because sometimes mobile builds have platform-specific bugs. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip: capture logs early. Support will need them to
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.